Good morning from Rolling Country Outdoors. Just getting the car started up and moved out of the barn here so we can start on today's projects. Yesterday, if you remember, we put those top boards on this closed-in wall side, and don't know how much of this we're going to work on today because I'm actually out of wood. I do have some wood that I can finish up at the top up here, the soffits. Not very much, it won't take very long. So we're going to get everything moved out of here this morning, and then I think we've got to do a couple of odd projects out, fix a gutter, put some metal paneling on some doors that I created, replace one of the tin roofs up on the woodshed. So we'll get into a couple of different things today. Hopefully we can get to that stuff. I always say we're going to do this, and then a rabbit jumps out or a squirrel jumps out and we chase it. So hopefully we can get that accomplished today. And but let's start with moving this stuff out of here. We got everything moved out of here. Start with a clean slate. We just have this stuff back here, but I'm probably going to use that lift to finish putting those soffits in later. But I think we're going to go take a look at these gutters and see what we can do. The gutters aren't draining properly, so we're going to look at that. This is a gutter. It's not draining, that water's staying on that far end. Looks like I've got a slant to it, but it is water staying on that end. So we're going to see if we can address that. And it looks like we can just pull those screws and lift that gutter on this end. That should address it. I'll be right back. Well, that looks like it's going more downhill. I should probably go get my level and be for sure. I'll be right back. Well, I guess this will be a good test. Bucket of water. Like it's got a slope to me. There's my lovely assistant. You say good morning? You look like you're a little overdressed.
Go in, Joey.
Okay, next we've got to go replace some tin on the woodshed. So I'm gonna get my ladders loaded up, put on the trailer or tractor, and head up the hill here. Okay, we're gonna head up to the woodshed. This is what we're fixing today. I don't know if you can see that or not. Had a friend back into it, and we've got a new piece, so we're going to get that installed today. Alright, here's the piece that we got going up here. Eight feet 3 inches. This ladder might be too tall. And what? Yeah, I did. Can you come hold the ladder for me? Because I got to lean over a little bit here. Actually, I'll probably be better off coming down and leaning it over. Let me do that and be safer. Can you hold the ladder? I got to go up one more. I'm going to have to go to the other side, get on the roof, and take this whole cap off in here. I just don't see any other way around it. I'm going to have to get on the other side and take this ridge cap out to get those top screws out. So can you grab that sheet that's there where the tape measure is? Because it's gonna slide your way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's not gonna come down until I'm gonna have to come back there. There's one screw in the middle that I can't reach. That one right up there in the middle.
Put on it. Is it safe for me to climb up on it?
Yeah, that's fine. But it's gonna want to slide off, so. It's fine, we'll get it.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah. Just come on down.
You got the ladder?
Yep, I got the ladder.
There's the screw. Got the ladder?
I got the ladder. Okay, kind of slant.
Okay, take that. You want to put that so we can start taking this off?
Yeah, just come on down and we'll let it slide down. Yeah, come on down.
Get your gloves.
I will, just come on down.
I'm holding it.
No, it's fine, it'll hold. We need to move the ladder so we can get it down. Can you move the ladder? Watch your cord, watch your cord. Sweet. That'll work. All right. All right, we got it up there. I'm just going to get up on the other side and screw the ridge cap back on, and should be good to go. Okay, we are getting ready to put this old tin on these doors for Hunter's closet cabinet that we're redoing. So she's tracing out the tin, and then I'll cut it here in a minute. Tin from the Fall City JCPenney store. Well, we're going to go an inch on this side. That's what this is for. No, that's fine. Isn't it? No, it's fine. We'll make it work. We're running out of disc. Yeah, let me go get another disc. I'll be back. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That'll work. Again, that's old tin off the ceiling in the old JCPenney's in Fall City, Nebraska. That's what that's off of. Pretty cool. Just getting the rough edges off of it, what I'm doing. That'll work. Plus the battery's dead. Now I'm going to jump over and we're going to cut some of this wood in half. That's going to be the batten boards for the siding. So I've got the table saw set up here. I'm going to run some of those through, and she's working on getting some stain together to stain those, put the sealer on them. So that's what we're going to jump on for a little bit now. Okay, that is going to be a wrap for today on Rolling Country Outdoors. We got 160 of those back boards cut up tonight and stacked up over there. That's all I have left of the pile there. Looks like we're going to have about 550 of them. I don't know if I'm going to have enough wood, but here's what we got cut. Got them on stickers. Little rigid table saw did a good job. Blades wore out, so I'm gonna have to replace the blade. But we're gonna get things cleaned up, get the cars back in here and tractor, and call it even. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.